Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on this device. So in the first way we have to download some fax app. You will find a lot of it in the Google Store. I can see it's a lot of here. I choose that one, but of course you can choose the other one. So we have to open it now. Sorry, we have to add permissions to the camera and files, and how you can see we are in the send fax menu. To choose the desired document here, click on the plus and choose the source of it. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from the download files, or just take a photo. I will choose something from a gallery. Oh, sorry, I don't have any photos, so I'll make one now. Okay, now we can add use a shape of your document. And if you are ready, click here. Now by clicking here you can add a signature or a text. There you can choose the filter for your file, and if you are ready, click here. If you want to add some more files, just click plus again, and if you want to send just it, type here number, and optional a small note. Now to send it, just click here. But if you want to receive some fax messages, go back and click here on the incoming. And click here to get a fax number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.